What's good? You already know it's your girl Ashley D. I'm back with another video. It's an unboxing. So I ordered a couple of products before they opened from Botanika Beauty. You know, I had to support. I'm on day 4 hair, by the way. This is the box. Right, the beautiful Botanika Beauty box. I haven't touched it, so yeah, like it's not opened. There's still tape on it. It's still fully intact. I got my products probably a couple weeks after I ordered it, maybe 2, something like that. Don't quote me, but I know I got my products and I was one of the people who pre-ordered. And what I got was the Mendo, the definer, and the stimulator. Is it inside of the box? Everything looks like it's individually wrapped. That's nice, actually. So first, I have here the Botanika Beauty, the stimulator. It was an oil serum. I'm just gonna read everything that's on the bottle so you guys can just kind of really feel for the products. So it says, she's the Jane of all trades. Yes, our girl, the stimulator, is a multitasking oil serum that stimulates hair growth, fights frizz, and adds shine to all hair types. This moisturizing and sealing serum deeply penetrates to strengthen the hair shaft and fortify the cuticle, stimulate hair growth, it fights frizz, and adds shine. Okay, so directions for use. Melt product in your hands before use and apply throughout hair as needed. Goddess tip. The stimulator can be used as a deep conditioning hot oil treatment and a pre-wash detangler. It's great for scalp massages or softening protective gel cast. This oil serum can also be used to add shine to a finished style. So this is the Definer Light Curl Cream. The Definer is a curl cream of your dreams, perfect for all hair types, but made to be lightweight with fine hair specifically in mind. Yes, girl, you read that right. This lightweight curl cream adds moisture and hydration for the ultimate curl definition. That smells bomb. That smells so good. Okay, so the things it does, it defines, it moisturizes, plus it's lightweight, and it's for all hair types. Directions for use. Section hair and evenly distribute the definer in a raking motion through wet hair. Follow up by scrunching strands for the ultimate curl definition and air dry. For extra volume, blow dry hair with a diffuser. Goddess tip. The definer can be used alone or layered with Botanika's Enhancer Mousse or Protector Gel for the perfect curly cocktail combination. The third product that I got is the Mendo. It's a protein treatment. It says the Mendo is your new bestie and go-to shiro when your hair needs a serious bounce back. This unique protein-enriched treatment is used to restore and revitalize damaged and weakened hair and is perfect for all hair types. You will love this easy, ready-to-use formula that moisturizes, reconstructs, and mends hair to restore body. Things this does, it's a ready-to-use formula. It's for all hair types and it's excellent for damaged hair. Ooh, oh my god. That smells good. Okay, directions for use. So it says, shampoo hair thoroughly and towel dry. Apply the Mendo and carefully saturate hair with treatment evenly by brushing through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Do not massage or tangle hair. Leave on for 15 minutes and rinse well with warm water. The Mendo protein treatment can be used once every 4 to 6 weeks. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You already know. If you have any videos that you want me to do, if you have any questions, add my social media or comment down below with any questions that you guys may have. Appreciate every single one of you.